Okay, it's Mr. Malinowski. We're going over the legislative branch. And to be clear, the legislative branch is all about Congress, the General Assembly, local government, lobbying, and interest groups. So the legislative branch, it makes or passes the laws. Again, legislative branch makes or passes the laws. Legislative branch, though, it's the Congress that makes the United States laws. It's the General Assembly that makes Virginia laws. It's the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors that makes FF or Fairfax laws. Let's take the U.S. Congress. It's bicameral. It means it has two, you said it, houses. House of Representatives, U.S. Senate. The House of Representatives is by population. The U.S. Senate is by state. The U.S. Congress, how it makes the laws. Well, first, it's introduction. That's by a senator or representative. It's by committee. Then it goes to the floor. Then it goes to the other house, so both houses vote. And then it goes to the executive, the president. U.S. Congress powers. They have express that are listed in the U.S. Constitution for the U.S. government, like regulating commerce, making laws on the internet, or declaring war. And then they have implied powers that are not listed in the Constitution, like Social Security or creating a Martin Luther King Jr. coin. If the president vetoes a bill, Congress can override. If senators don't like a bill, they can filibuster. And again, that's where they talk and talk and talk till they kill that bill. The General Assembly, that equals Virginia. They're the legislative branch for Virginia, and they make Virginia laws. And that's what it looks like. The General Assembly equals bicameral because there are two houses. And the General Assembly, of course, makes laws for Virginia. It approves the biennial budget. It approves state judges. And its powers come from the 10th Amendment, not to be confused from the 1st, the 5th, or the 14th. The General Assembly makes laws about marriage, education, public health, and public safety. And finally, we got local government, and it gets its powers from the Virginia Constitution, and it focuses on public safety, and it's the closest to the people in case of emergency. So you'd go there, if there's a storm like the derecho, or even like there's going to be right here in January 2013, or if there was a case of widespread flu, the local government would help prepare people with flu viruses and flu vaccines. So, we need to know about the legislative branch, we need to know how far we've come, and then we need to know about lobbyists and interest groups, and that's our next topic. Alright, if you're confused about any of this, rewind it right here, watch it again. You all need to know this. Best, Mr. M.